All right, what's up, guys? Into this video, I'm going to be talking about why you shouldn't change your wheel setup from OEM to aftermarket and how it affect your gas mileage. I'm going to be going over my top 5 reasons on exactly why you shouldn't change your tire setup and how you can be able to save yourself some gas. It is a little bit windy outside, so I'm going to try to sit in my car to where it's a little bit quiet and give you guys my couple reasons. All right, y'all, I had to come in my car because for some reason today is a pretty windy day in PA. So the first thing I want to talk about when this comes to you, what really kill your MPG on your car, your truck, whatever it is and that, to get a better fuel mileage and stuff, gas mileage. Pretty much the number one thing is the weight. So for example, you switching off your OEM wheels over to aftermarkets, like I myself, I've been there before. So the actual aftermarket wheels, I do believe they do weight. Obviously, let's say you going off from a 19-inch wheels pretty much to like wider tire, 22 by 14, something like that. Those tires, any aftermarket wheels and tire setup, most of the time they weigh about 100, close to like 150 pounds, or probably sometimes more. It does depend on the set of tires and the wheels setup you're going to be going with. So the weight is the number one thing that play a huge factor, and that sometimes throw your gas mileage off and it kills that instantly. So if you want a better gas mileage, don't switch over unless I've been there before, I did it, and I ain't gonna knock you off for trying to do something that you want to do that makes you happy. The next thing is wider tires, obviously, and pretty much the wider tires on your truck. Like for example, like me before, I had a Ram before in the past, my 2006 Ram. I had wider tires on there. I had 22 by 14s, and these were 14 wides, extremely wide. It's like pretty much 3 of my setup, almost like 2.5 of my truck tires right now, just one of them, pretty much one of them combined each. That's how wide it was. And whenever you put wider tires on your car, on your truck or car, whatever this and that, it's like pretty much more weight and load, and that kind of give your car like a different kind of, it put a screen on, not just like for the fact that you're going to be burning gas, but also it does throw off your RPM and stuff like that. So for example, like a gas truck having very heavy tires on there, and those tires, when you go, the wider the tires is, believe it or not, the more heavier it's going to be. So that definitely going to kill your MPG. Like I'm talking like instantly, you're going to see real bad. Your miles per gallon is going to really go downhill with wider tires and stuff. So that's something you just want to think about. Obviously I get it, the looks. I myself, I've been there before. I'm not here to judge you on whatever you want to do, but wider tires is going to be my number 2. Number 3 is going to be your offsets on your wheel. Like I just mentioned before, I'll mention again, like 22 by 14, switching from, let's say now I have, these are 19, 20-inch wheels I have on my truck. These are stock tires, and I want to switch over to 22 by 14s. Those are the offsets on those going to be a little bit way more, and that's going to definitely throw like off your miles per gallon. Your car not really gonna, it's like pretty much like that offset compared to like your regular stock wheels that actually made for your trucks, and how it actually helps your miles per gallon. Damn, I can't even talk to the miles per gallon, but the offset, believe it or not, that's another thing that a lot of people probably overlook, but it does affect your MPG, and it does kill your MPG. So just keep that in mind. My next thing is them huge mud tires that I see a lot of these trucks, or not even Dodge Rams, but any kind of truck. It's mainly like, most of the time it's like gas trucks that I see, but at the end of the day, it's like any kind of trucks. Like if you're gonna put those like huge mud tires on your truck, like I'm talking about the ones that really, when you driving down the road, you can hear them. If you know what I'm talking about, those tires definitely alone, it's like extremely heavy, and you're gonna definitely see one of the worst miles per gallon on your truck. It looks cool, don't get me wrong. I never put mud tires in my truck before, but I've seen them before on trucks, and they kind of look cool. But if you looking to get one of the best, if you looking to help anything with your miles per gallon on your truck, mud tires is like the last thing that you will want to put on your truck. Only if you don't care though. If you strictly don't give two ifs about your miles per gallon, then go ahead and do you. But that's another thing. Mud tires is definitely what kills your MPG. My next thing is gonna be, this is my fifth one, gonna be the lift kit and leveling kit. Believe it or not, these trucks are like aerodynamic. I can't even say that word, but if you lifting your truck from custom height, definitely gonna throw it off. Even leveling your truck, whatever, and stuff like that, definitely gonna throw off your MPG, and it's gonna kill your miles per gallon, believe it or not. But these are my top 5 things I wanted to be able to share with you guys. If you looking to help improve your miles per gallon on your truck, if you have any of these things on your list, I would suggest that you try to switch and get something better that's gonna actually help your truck improve with the miles per gallon. But I'm not here to knock you off with whatever you want to do that make you happy, but I'm just sharing with you guys these things. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.